This is the final video to fix Ignore Touch Event Error in SCRCPY. And if your mirror device input is not working, let me ask you, are you using SCRCPY and noticing that touch inputs from your device are ignored or delayed? This problem usually happens because SCRCPY settings are misconfigured, device drivers are outdated, or USB/ADB communication fails. Sometimes system permissions or background apps also trigger the issue. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with complicated command line tweaks, risky driver reinstalls, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still do not fix touch input. But on Rex's, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of changing every setting blindly, we fix the exact SCRCPY configuration, device driver, and system path that causes Ignore Touch Event Error. This works because it restores proper input communication between your device and SCRCPY. The method is fast, safe, and works on all setups. Once you apply it, touch input works normally, SCRCPY mirrors correctly, and the problem disappears. I tested this fix on multiple PCs, and it worked every time. That is why Rex shares smart, stress-free solutions. If Ignore Touch Event Error in SCRCPY is stopping your workflow, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below and I will guide you completely.